Hello, students. I am Sarika from my team Wisdom. Today we will learn Azure Fundamentals. In Azure Fundamental, we have multiple topics to be covered. If you could see the screen, in Azure Fundamentals, we would be covering the benefits of cloud services, the cloud services types, the architectural component of Azure Compute and Networking Services. So in this course, we will be going in details to know how the compute and the networking services are included in Azure Fundamentals. We would not be going in deep technicality and configuration of Azure Networking and Azure Compute, but we would be knowing what Azure Compute and Azure Networking Services does in Azure and how they are beneficial. We would be also talking about Azure Storage Services, Azure Identity, Access, and Security. We would also be calling the cost management in Azure, how this is being utilized and how people manage the cost during Azure utilization. We would be also describing the features and tools in Azure for governance and compliance, which is very, very important. We would be then describing the features and tools for managing and deploying Azure resources. And at the end, we will be seeing and going through the monitoring tools Azure has. Last but not the least, we would also be having a small test post the exam. So this course is overall a 20 days course, 1 hour each. So you can also say a 20-hour course wherein you would be getting all the conceptual details of Azure Architect, Azure Compute, Networking, Storage Services, Identity, Access, Security, Cost Management, Governance and Compliance tools, and managing and deploying Azure resources tools, and at the end, the monitoring tools. If we talk about the fundamentals of Azure, we would know what is Azure and what does it do. So Azure basically is a cloud computing platform with an ever-expanding set of services to help you build solutions to meet your business goals. Azure services ranges from simple web services for hosting your business presence in the cloud to ringing or running fully virtualized computers for you to run your custom software solutions. Here I am mentioning Azure multiple times because we are covering AZ-900 Azure Fundamental course. The details, the fundamentals, the basics of Azure also apply for any cloud computing. So any cloud computing provides a wealth of cloud-based services like remote storage, database, hosting, and centralized account management. It also offers new capabilities like AI and Internet of Things. What is a cloud computing? Well, it is a delivery of computing services over the internet, which is called a cloud. These services include server, storage, database, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence. Cloud computing offers faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. Now, what does Azure offer? Well, Azure offers a lot, many things. Azure offers or informs or lets you be ready for the future. It builds the application and softwares on your own term. It operates hybrid seamlessly. It trusts your cloud. And it lets you do an extensively separate work which you and your infrastructure is looking for. The tour of Azure services would be calling up about compute, network, storage, mobile, database, web, Internet of Things, big data, AI, DevOps. We will be going through each and every component in this course, and we will be learning about this course in details. And we would also be knowing how this specific component is being utilized over the cloud. When we talk about the benefits of using cloud services, we have multiple benefits, starting from high availability, scalability, vertical scaling, horizontal scaling, reliability, predictability, performance, and cost. We will be going through all of these one by one and getting the details of all individual ones. Just to give you a quite glimpse of it, when we talk about cloud services types, we have infrastructure as a service, we have platform as a service, and we have software as a service. We will be going through in details of each one of these to know how these works and what are the differences between these two. What are the differences between all these three and how do they work with each other? Can we add all of them together or can we add them separately? All these things needs to be understood. And in this course, we will be learning the same. So that was a quite small glimpse of AZ-900 Azure fundamental course, what we are doing and what we will be covering in here. Thank you for watching the video. If you get any difficulty for this topic or you want a video on another topic, please suggest and share your doubts in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.